Lesson 1: The nature and process of communication. How will you react to the picture? It is a great joy when you came to your family. Your first cry immediately after birth announced your arrival into this world. Your parents understood that when you cry you were hungry and gave you milk in response. As days passed by you pronounced short words, and you understood the language of love. Today, you can act out, speak, and write. You exchange ideas and information to someone or to others in two ways. Records show that people nowadays are using various communication techniques. Look at the pictures and identify the different ways of communicating with others. What is communication? Why do we communicate? Communication is a two-way process of connecting to both living and non-living things. It is also means of sharing and exchanging messages, information, ideas, and feelings for mutual understanding. Let us now further define communication using two key terms. Message 1: Communication is a message understood. Understand 2: Communication is a social interaction through messages. Thanks for watching.